Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make purple grape sorbet. First, select about 2 pounds of ripe purple grapes. Wash them thoroughly. Next, combine 1/2 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture gently until the sugar fully dissolves, creating a simple syrup. Let it cool completely before moving to the next step. Once your grapes are clean, remove them from their stems. Place the grapes into a blender and process them until you achieve a smooth, liquid consistency. This might take a few minutes. After blending, pour the grape mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Press down on the solids to extract all the juice, discarding the remaining pulp and seeds. Now it's time to combine your ingredients. Pour the cooled simple syrup into the strained grape juice. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to enhance the flavor. It really makes a difference. Stir everything together until well combined. Then, cover the mixture and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, or until it is very cold, around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, pour the thoroughly chilled grape mixture into your ice cream maker. Churn it for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer the freshly churned sorbet into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours to firm up completely. Enjoy your delicious homemade purple grape sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.